Hi everyone, welcome back to another Tip Tuesday video. So today I'm going to help you go through a facial at home. So these days we're unable to go and get a lot of the stuff that we usually have done, on our skin, our hands, nails, etc. But it's super easy and you can do this facial at home with just a handful of products. So I'm going to use a full series of products. I'm going to take you from, the washing your face, starting with a cleansed skin, to exfoliation, steaming, masking, the whole 9 yards until the facial serum or moisturizer at the very end. I'm going to be using some products that I have tried and tested and I really love. I was gifted these More Spa products. This is a Canadian brand that makes beautiful spa products, and as someone who managed a spa for a little bit and was part of the opening team, I can tell you that it's hard to find spa products that are made really well, and they're also made with just natural ingredients. One thing that I really love that my esthetician does is steaming my face, and today I'm going to show you how to just create some steam and bring it into your facial routine. Now in this video, I'm not going to go through extractions because really, who wants to see that? But if you wanted to bring in and do some extractions to remove blackheads around the nose or the chin, you need to do that after you've steamed, all right? So you would start with the cleansed skin, exfoliate, do the steam, and then you would go in with 2 tissues and start kind of gently squeezing out what you don't want there, all right? Now, I'm using some products that were gifted to me by More Spa, but of course, as you know, all opinions are always my own, and I would never use something or recommend something to you that I didn't like or I didn't think worked well. Go cleanse your face. If your face is already cleansed, we can get started right away, okay? You need to grab some hot water, you need a bowl, you need some essential oils or some tea for your steam, and then you need your skincare products, all right? So let's get started. Okay, everyone, so as I mentioned, cleansing is the first step of every facial. So when your face is cleansed, the next thing to do would be to do a bit of an exfoliation. Now, if you don't have an exfoliant or anything greedy on hand, don't worry, you can very easily make something of your own. Here, I just used quick oats in my coffee grinder, and then I mix it with a bit of fine sea salt. Himalayan is preferred, but I don't have it. And then I added a bit of baking soda. I'll put the recipe for you below. This here will give a nice gentle scrub to your skin. So you need to take a little bit into your hand and mix it with a little bit of water to get it to your desired consistency. So after you get this nice paste, you just start scrubbing your face. So after you feel like you've gotten, the exfoliation that you're after, remember to be gentle, but going to the lines and all the dry areas that perhaps are needing a bit more attention. But remember that this is a physical exfoliant, right? Meaning that you need to let the oatmeal and the baking soda and the salt do a little bit of the work, right? You shouldn't be scrubbing too hard. Maybe I went a little bit overboard, but it sure feels nice. And then when you're done, you just need to rinse it off with some lukewarm water. Now, the third step would be to give your face a little bit of steam. And I absolutely love this when I go to the spa and they do that on my face. Steam is so beneficial for your skin, so you definitely need to bring that into your facial procedure. It detoxifies the skin. It helps, increase the absorption rate of your skin, which means the rest of your products will absorb better. The list goes on and on about the benefits of steam. So all you have to do is steam some water. I put chamomile flowers in mine, but if you don't have any real flowers, you can also do tea tree oil, lavender essential oil. Just choose an oil that would be beneficial to your skin. And then you're gonna put the steaming water in there, the hot water in there. You're gonna lean over the bowl, and it's essential that you cover yourself up with a towel. All right. You want to give your skin at least I would say 5 to 8. If you can do 10 minutes, that would be best. You need to have an opening at the front over your towel so you can breathe. And of course, you have to ensure that the water is not too hot. Okay, so this is how you would put the towel over your face. And then you need a table. If you want to be seated, that's best. And you're just going to lean over your bowl and inhale that steam, that water. You can also do green tea in there. That's really fantastic for the skin as well. If your skin is blemished, tea tree works really well. Same with neroli. But just use what you have on hand and create just a beautiful, Zen spa-like experience for yourself. Okay, so that's super relaxing and just very plumping. It gives just a lot of hydration to the skin, which is essential for the winter. Now, after you do your steam, the fourth step would be to go in with a mask. I'm going to use some of the More Spa products today. These products were gifted to me. It is a Canadian company coming out of Vancouver. And, as someone who has worked in a spa, I have to tell you, it's really difficult to find spa products that are actually clean or are made with, non-toxic ingredients. So I've used the line a couple times before. It's very impressive, 100% natural source. So today I'm going to be using the kelp and enzyme mask. So this is a mask for all skin types. It's made with fossilized sea kelp. It has a lot of enzymes, calcium, and a lot of minerals, which are fantastic for the skin. So now that your pores are open and everything is nice and soft and steamed, go in with your mask. All right, and now we wait. So you're gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes and then you're gonna go and remove it with a warm, wet face cloth, all right? Being gentle with the face cloth as well. Okay, so now that the mask is removed, you're gonna go in with your favorite mist. I'm gonna use Helena Lane's Nourishing Rose and Frankincense. You're gonna do a nice mist. Press the mist into your face. Take some deep breaths. Okay, we're almost there, I promise. So next you're gonna layer on a serum. And for this serum, I'm gonna use something that's really, really light. So you want like a water serum, you want your hyaluronic acid. You want something that's light and easily absorbed for hydration. So I'm gonna use the More Spa hydrating serum. So this one here is made with marine phytoplankton. It has hyaluronic acid in it, kelp extract, vitamin C. It feels absolutely beautiful on the skin. It's super nice and light and you don't need a lot. Use the top of your hand so you can control your pumps. So something like this, anything with hyaluronic acid is going to spread really easily, especially after you've misted your face and you're still kind of a little bit damp and dewy. Okay, oh, that's so easily absorbed. You know a good serum, and especially after you've scrubbed and you've masked, a good serum will just absorb into your skin really quickly. My skin just drinks this one up. So all right, and then my final step is going to be the richest product that I've used up until now, and that is going to be a facial oil. All right, so for this one here, I'm going to use the More Spa facial oil, the Nourishing Facial Oil, and you just need a few drops of this, and then you just do a nice massage, make sure that it absorbs. You can also use your roller if you have one, or a gua sha tool, that's up to you. So for this, you just need a few drops. I like to do a little bit extra just so you can have some glide while you're massaging, and then just press it. that was the last step. How amazing does your skin feel? So thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you here next Tuesday.